here, big girl. Woo! Woo! Holy shit! Wow! Give me a hand, Chase! Oh my Lord! Second one today, man. This one's a little bit bigger though. And I don't think he's hooked that well. I got some, but last...
I saw you hook it, so I was like, I might need some help.
Yeah, I was gonna ask if you could throw a rope and get me to shore so I'm not floating around when I try to land him. My anchor's actually up there. I disconnected. I just don't want to lose this guy. I can't. That's 2 today, man. Alright. Come on. Come on. Nope, you ain't going under there. You good? Moonwalking with the muskie. Yeah, I do see it now. He is hooked pretty good. That's a decent size right there. That might be a citation. Alright.
Oh my God!
I call that 40 inches right there.
I'll sign the witness thing.
Do I need? There you go. There you go.